Have you ever wondered how game-changing ideas are born? The answer often lies in simple yet powerful concept of design thinking. It's an approach that sparks innovation by placing people at the core of problem solving. Today, we are going to dive into the topic of design thinking, where empathy and creativity rule and where simple ideas can lead to extraordinary results. On that note, hello everyone, welcome to this session on design thinking, often associated with creative and innovative problem solving, and it has gained popularity in various fields, including product design, business, and education. Before we begin, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech content from Edureka. Also, take a look at the creativity, problem solving, and design thinking course offered by Edureka in India and in collaboration with University of Cambridge Online. From this course, you will discover how creativity helps solve problems and how to use design thinking in business tasks. You will also learn various thinking skills to tackle challenges and overcome biases. This course is curated and developed in partnership with University of Cambridge Online, ensuring participants receive a certificate of achievement from the university and access placement assistance from Edureka. Upon successfully finishing the creativity, problem solving, and design thinking certification course, you will receive an industry-recognized certificate of achievement from the University of Cambridge Online. To know more details about the course curriculum and the skill it covers, please check the course link provided in the description box below. First, let's get started with what design thinking is. Design thinking is a dynamic approach to problem solving that emphasizes a deep understanding of user needs and the iterative development of innovative solutions. It is a human-centered, empathic, and collaborative method used to tackle complex and ambiguous problems. Design thinking is often associated with creative and innovative problem solving, and it has gained popularities in various fields, including product design, business, and education. Design thinking is important for several reasons, as it offers a valuable approach to problem solving and innovation that finds extensive use in the real-world situation. So here are some of the key reasons why design thinking is important. And first, we have human-centered approach. Design thinking places a strong emphasis on understanding the needs, preferences, and behaviors of the end users. By focusing on people, it ensures that solutions are tailored to address real, meaningful problems and are user-friendly. And next we have innovation. Design thinking encourages a creative and iterative process that often leads to innovative solutions. It promotes thinking outside the box and challenges traditional problem-solving methods. Next, empathy. The process of design thinking involves empathizing with users, which fosters a deeper understanding of their challenges and aspirations. This empathy helps in creating solutions that are more relevant and effective. Then we have iterative and adaptive. Design thinking involves an ongoing process that lets you keep making solutions better through constant adjustments and refinements. It's adaptable and can accommodate changing circumstances and new heights. And then we have collaboration. Design thinking encourages interdisciplinary collaborations. Teams with diverse backgrounds and skill work together to bring multiple perspectives to the problem-solving process, leading to more comprehensive solutions. And next we have risk mitigation. By prototyping and testing ideas early in the design thinking process, potential flaws and issues can be identified and addressed before significant resources are invested, reducing the risk of failure. Then, user-centric design. Design thinking helps in creating products, services, and experiences that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing and enjoyable for users. And finally, we have problem framing. Design thinking emphasizes understanding the root causes of problems and framing them in a way that facilitates creative solutions. This prevents superficial fixes and ensures that issues are addressed comprehensively. As we have already discussed, design thinking is an innovative approach that has been widely applied in various real-world applications across different industries. Here are a couple of noteworthy examples. And first we have product design. Design thinking has been used extensively in the design of consumer products, ranging from smartphones and household appliances to automobiles and furniture. It focuses mainly on understanding what user needs and creating products that are both functional and visually appealing. Next, software development. In software development, design thinking helps in creating user-friendly and intuitive user interface, that is UI, and user experiences. By understanding the end user's need and behaviors, developers can design software that is more effective and engaging. Then, in education. In the field of education, design thinking is used to develop student-centered teaching approaches and to design educational tools and resources that are engaging and effective. Then, in government services. Government agencies use design thinking to enhance citizen services. This approach helps in simplifying and improving the accessibility of government services such as tax filing, permits, and public transportations. And next example is financial services. Design thinking is empowered in the financial industry to create user-friendly banking apps, websites, and ATM interfaces. It can also be used to improve financial planning and advisory services. Next, we have automotive industry. Design thinking principles are used in the automotive industry to create user-friendly dashboards, improve safety features, and enhance the overall driving experience. Now let's take a look at the design thinking applied in the creation of the Tesla Model S, an electric car. So the model here is Tesla Model S and design thinking in action. First, we'll discuss the empathizing with users phase. Tesla started by understanding the needs of the car owners. They acknowledged that people wanted an electric car but were concerned about factors like range anxiety, charging infrastructure, and style. Next, user-centric approach. Tesla aimed to create an electric car that not only reduced carbon emissions but also met users' desires. They designed a sleek and attractive vehicle with a range that addressed range anxiety and established a network of charging stations. And next, innovation in battery technology. One of the biggest challenges with electric cars is battery technology. Tesla used design thinking to innovate in this area. They developed cutting-edge battery technology which not only extended the car range but also made it efficient and user-friendly. Next, simplicity and aesthetics. The interior of the Model S was kept minimalist and user-friendly. The large touchscreen interface combined all controls into one easy-to-use system. Next, user experience. Tesla constantly gathered user feedback through over-the-air updates. This enabled them to improve the car's performance and features based on the real-world use. As a result, Tesla's approach to design thinking revolutionized the perceptions of electric cars and set new industry standards. So with this, we have come to the end. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and keep learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!